This world is such a, and when I say this world, I don't mean in a
delicious food.
I mean in everyday,
Baby Yoshi.
Everything you do. It's such a, gimme.
Old school.
You know, everybody's like, you taught that from school.
This is for you, Tupac and Biggie.
You want to be like Trump? Gimme. Push. Step. Crush.
And I take it on missing. Don't call me sissy. I'm like, give it that bum. Didn't know she was dumb. I was trying to run. Now I got a gun. People keep on telling me to go, even though my rap skills already know. When I saw Princess Peach, I wanted to shriek. I want to eat delicious food, cause it always brings me to a happy mood. Why you trying to be rude, dude? I was just trying to eat my delicious food. I want to eat delicious food, cause it always brings me to a happy mood. Why you trying to be rude, dude? I was just trying to eat my delicious food. He said he was strong. He found out he was wrong. Your nose is so long. You threw trash for the song. You're really just like Donkey Kong. I said on you till you say, get off me. Boy, what you say? This really made my day. I want to eat delicious food, cause it always brings me to a happy mood. Why you trying to be rude, dude? I was just trying to eat my delicious food. I want to eat delicious food, cause it always brings me to a happy mood. Why you trying to be rude, dude? I was just trying to eat my delicious food. She said she was hot like a pot. Then I found out it was the same girl I fought. Told it's a good place for her to rot. You don't deserve everything special you got. Don't call me bigger, cause I love it when you call me Big Papa. Man, why you always trying to start drama? You're not my mommy or my mom. You're my mama. I hope you get karma. I want to eat delicious food, cause it always brings me to a happy mood. Why you trying to be rude, dude? I was just trying to eat my delicious food. I want to eat delicious food, cause it always brings me to a happy mood. Why you trying to be rude, dude? I was just trying to eat my delicious food.